Hi, welcome to our channel Way to Crack IELTS. We are back with a new video and it is about cue card. Our cue card is describe about a conversation topic that you are least interested in. Let's start our cue card. Well, conversation is the exchanging of ideas between people. Effective communication leads to success of coding and decoding of a conveyed message. Here, I would like to talk about a conversation topic in which I showed the least interest, and unfortunately it is about politics. Last week when I was with my friend Simran in the park and we were sharing our views on the advancements in technologies from past few years, suddenly we met Neha, our school friend, after 3 years, and she was the biggest fan of politicians. Whereas I always tried to resist myself to talk about that topic. Because I think that politicians are the manipulators who manipulate the general public in their own beneficial way. After joining me and Simran, Neha started her favorite topic of discussion, and it is about politics. Whereas I am not at all an introvert person, I had jumped into that debatable topic with disinterest. I told Neha I am not at all against politics, but their activities somehow adversely affect the sentiments of the general public. I am not denying that authorities bestow masses with numerous of amenities, but before elections, they started overcare the public. Whereas before that, where was that public? They always forget this thing, and this is not good. Up to some extent, Neha, I was able to insist Neha, but it was very difficult for me and to make her understand that there are too much loopholes in the system of politics, because politicians try to affect the emotions of the public. So this was the conversation topic in which I am least interested.